Hello and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and testing out the Llano RGB Video Light Kit that is aimed at streamers and content creators. This kit contains the RGB light itself, which has a built-in rechargeable battery with full colour control as well as 12 preset effects for you to choose from and a brightness range of up to 6500 Kelvin, which as you will see a little bit later in the video is very bright. So let's get this package open. The box contains everything you need to get started, which comprises of the light itself, which has a fantastic build quality and comes with a silicone light diffuser attached to make for that natural and full glow. But we will take a closer look at that and all of the other buttons and features shortly. This kit also contains a phone holder with multiple mounting options, which is ideal for those who frequently livestream on platforms such as TikTok and Instagram. It's also nice to see that it has rubberized edges to make sure there's no scratches on your phone after use. We were also given a suction cup attachment should you wish to use it instead of the included tripod. As you'll see in this video, it has a very strong grip thanks to the clamp design and ball hinge, which means it will easily hold up the light to allow you to position it however you want. Moving on now to the tripod, it has a really nice strong build quality and a bunch of cool features, including the ability to extend it from 13 inches all the way up to 26 inches, but again you'll see that a little bit later on in this video. Last but not least, we have a rather short charging cable, which is a USB Type A to USB Type C, and also a camera mount attachment should you wish to attach the light to a DSLR camera or use it in conjunction with the tripod. Talking of which, as I just said, the tripod has a very nice build quality with a lockable joint at the top, allowing for various placement options with the light without the risk of it moving around. You can also easily extend the three metal legs to create a solid platform for your tripod to sit on. And the great thing about this is that you also have the option to have it as a handheld tripod, which makes it quite a clever design. Similarly to the tripod, this powerful suction cup also has a lot of movement options and the ability to place the light in practically any format. Whether it be on glass, a flat desk or even a laptop or monitor, it means you have a great light placement for things such as live streaming video games, having conference calls and so on. It's also worth noting that the spring-loaded phone holder can expand up to 3.14 inches, so you shouldn't have any issue with most standard phone sizes. Taking a closer look at the portable RGB light itself, we can see we have a full 360-degree range of colour to choose from, which is shown by the chart on the front, and we also have a small screen for selecting and adjusting options. If we take off the silicone diffusion which fits around the light, we can see that it's comprised of 60 individual LEDs. On the underside of the light we have a tripod mounting point as well as the USB Type-C charging cable input, which by the way can be charged whilst in use. On the left side we have another tripod mounting point allowing for vertical or horizontal usage, and on the right side we have various buttons including power, mode select and other modifiers as well, but we will take a look at how they are used in just a moment. As you can see, the light is very bright. This is why the silicone diffuser is used to help soften the harshness of the light, making it more flattering when used in live stream scenarios. To turn on the light is simply a case of holding the power button at the top for a few moments and then letting go. This means you won't be accidentally tapping the light on and wasting any battery life. Talking of which, this is a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery which can run for 3 hours at 100% brightness, which is pretty impressive. As you can see on the screen we have various options to adjust, H meaning the light's hue or colour, S meaning saturation and the light meaning brightness. You can use the plus or minus buttons to either increase or decrease the current hue, saturation or brightness, and use the set button to change between each of those variables. This also means you can either have a cold or warm conference style light by adjusting the factors accordingly. Obviously 0% saturation will result in a bright white light. The colours can then be adjusted anywhere between 3000 and 6500 Kelvin, so you should be able to find the perfect lighting to work with your surroundings. As I stated at the start of this video, there are various lighting effects for you to choose from. These include lightning, police, hue fade and many more to play around with if you're looking for something a little more specific. To get to this section you can simply tap the M button on the side. From here you can then cycle between each of these effects as well as adjusting their brightness. Then when you're finished you can simply press and hold the power button for a moment to turn the light off. It also does remember your last light setting, which can definitely save you some time in the future. Attaching the light to the tripod is extremely easy and it fits really well without any unwanted movement. You can then simply set this up with the tripod legs if you don't wish to use the phone attachment. This is then ideal for streamers as it can either be used as a soft glow on their face or to be used as an atmospheric background, especially when combined with multiple of these lights. This entire kit can be picked up for $70 or £60, which if I'm honest actually seems like really good value. The light is really impressive, and with 3 hours battery life at 100% brightness, it makes this an extremely practical and versatile choice for those of you in the market for this type of product. Not only is it used for live streaming and conference calls, but for me this light can also be used for things such as product photography, lighting for YouTube videos, and many other practical uses as well. The ability to extend the tripod and also attach it onto various surfaces with the suction cup make this seem like a really good idea. It gives you a lot of options in terms of how you wish to utilise the light to suit your own needs. So now let's take a look at the light in action at 100% brightness in a darkened room. And straight away we can see that this small light packs a massive punch. It fills the room with a bright yet soft glow without leaving any harsh areas or shadows on the wall, and the same goes for all the colour choices and effects as well. Before we come back to the light's performance, I'll quickly show you how this kit would work if you wanted to include your phone on the tripod. You can simply slide in the small camera attachment on top of the phone holder, which allows you to then put the light on top of that. As I mentioned earlier, this is ideal for those of you who wish to live stream from your phone whilst having a soft light on your face at all times. This works great when the tripod is stationary, but also when being used portably, as no matter where you walk or what your background is, your face will still be visible thanks to the attached light. When I first heard about the product, I wasn't sure how best to use it or get the most out of it, but the more I've tested it out, the more ways I can think of the Llano RGB light being beneficial to me, especially in my case and in regards to content creation. With a respectable price and a lot of versatility thanks to the kit's included components, I'd definitely be able to recommend this product to you if you're in the market for one. This product was sent out for testing, but as always on this channel, all thoughts and opinions are my own. Thank you all very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really does help the channel grow. I'd also love to invite you all to join my Discord server to talk about all things tech and gaming, as well as being the first to know about future giveaways. I really do hope to see you there. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.